first bit is finding out which side you're going to be going to. So for the dizziness, you'll probably have a clue in that when you roll over onto one side, that'll probably make the dizziness worse or turning, but you may not know. This test will help find this out. So this is first bit is a test. Ideally, your legs can be out straight. You're going to have your head turned to one side. This is our right side, and you're going to be going down quite quickly. And you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and down you go. And either nothing will happen, or you'll start to spin. And then you want to see that spinning goes away after about 30 seconds. Your eyes may go. Make sure you do this in the center of the bed because you're going to freak out and you're going to want to jump up, but don't. Ideally have someone hold you there and just have them hold you just to secure you, because it does feel quite scary. I usually hold my patients and let them know that they may get dizzy on this. Once it goes away, sort of count how long it took to sort of feel better. Ideally, it's under 30 seconds. When you get back up slowly. Keep in mind you might get dizzy again, so again, just be prepared for it. And then you would test the other side. This would be the left side. And down you would go. And what you're going to find ideally is that one of these sides causes a problem or is a bigger problem. You're going to pick the side that gave you the most dizziness. Let's say, for example, that it was when we went to this left side. Okay? Call this the affected side from now on, which is the side that you had your head turned to when you do it. Yep. So, now you've done the test. Whichever side is affected you most, the side that you got your head turned to that gives you the most dizziness, you will then go to that side and you'll be going down on that side. And again, put yourself kind of in the middle of the bed because you're probably going to go dizzy and you're going to go down and you're going to hold still for about a minute or so, or however long it takes for you to not be dizzy anymore. Again, good idea to have someone hold you just to reassure you that you're not going to come off the bed, but if you get in the middle of the bed to do this, it should be okay. So you've gone down onto the affected side. You're then going to just gently take your time, take maybe 30 seconds, and you're going to go onto your back. Keep your head here first. Get yourself nice and square, and then just gently bring your head just back to center. Take your time with that. Give yourself a minute so there's no dizziness. When that's settled, you come around here, Tracy. This is the important bit. When you go onto your side, your body's, you're going to go onto your side, but you're also going to turn your head at the same time so that you end up laying on your side, but your head's also turned, which will make your face go actually 180 degrees into the bed. So your body's going 90, your head's going 90, but that'll make you go in it. And you want to do this fairly quick. So when you do this, again, have someone at the edge of the bed so that you know you're not going to come off. Get your hand there because you're quite likely to go quite dizzy on this. I like you to use your leg and your other arm, and your face is going in. So I'll do it in slow motion just to show you. On at the same time your head turns, so you end up face down. Yep. Holding on. Don't jump up. Put your face down. Okay? So and that's where you would stay until you went
until you would not be dizzy anymore. I'll just show you that.
From here, in one fluid movement, quite quickly, head's turning, body's turning, giving you a kind of a face plant.
Yep, face down. And then when that fades off, again, anywhere between half a minute to a minute, you're then going to get up.
And as you get up, kind of keep your head down, and you may go dizzy again. Wait for your dizziness to go away, and then do the procedure again. So you do the same side twice. Usually by the second time that you've done it, it's much better. You find that, ooh, I wasn't as dizzy. If it's the same, you can try doing it a different side. You might have got it wrong, but you do the same side twice. Okay, and you may do that a couple of times a day, but this Epleys maneuver usually works pretty quickly, and it doesn't usually take many times, but there's no harm in trying it. It's only rolling over. It's only what you would do in bed, so it's not dangerous or anything, but it can clear those crystals, can clear those otoliths. So have a go at that.